On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the best data entry jobs that you can apply from home wherever you are in the world. The good news is that you are going to be earning up to $20 per hour. So this is a very simple method that you can use to make money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel and press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The website that we are going to be talking about today is caremetrics.com. This is a health organization and their mission is very simple. You can see right here at Caremetrics, we are proud of our long-standing history of helping patients. So what they do is that they collect and manage data from patients so that they can use those data to make decisions about certain diseases that are new in the environment. So what they do is that they employ people to collect those data. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to apply for a job so that you can be collecting data from patients and then providing it to the website. That is simply what you are going to be doing. You don't need to do anything else. So to get a job, just click on careers. Once you click on careers, you can see if you are someone who can put patients first, you will fit right in. So all that they need is about people who care about patients. So you have to just apply so that you can be taking data from patients and then helping them to manage their diseases. So when you come here, you can see they have a lot of different jobs that you can apply. You can see reception, but this one you have to be in this location right here. You can see this one too. This is remote, so wherever you are you can apply. You can see this one too, remote job. Anytime you see the location, if you are not in that location, just avoid it and come to the remote job. So as I scroll, you can see the remote job opportunities that you can apply. You can see this one, customer support job. As I'll come back to that, you can see operations supervisor, you can see reimbursement case manager. So all these you can work wherever you are in the world. When you come here, you can see the information tech. You can see senior software developer. You have to be in this location. You can see associate software support analyst. You can work remotely. So it depends on your qualification. If you don't have any qualification, keep on watching because I will show you one of the jobs that you can do even if you have high school diplomas. As you can see, a whole lot of different opportunities that you can apply to make money on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. When you come here, you can see content developer. So you can be a content developer. That means you are going to be writing blog posts, writing social media posts and the rest, so that you can be earning money on this website. So as I scroll, you can see the job opportunities. I'm going to open this job opportunity so that I can show you more of the details. As you can see, the content developer, this is one of the easiest job that you can do. As you can see right here, write 3 blogs monthly. This includes performing research, conducting interviews with appropriate Caremetrics subject matter experts. So that is one of your responsibility. You can see manage social media calendar, write social media post copy. You can see the duties and responsibility here. So just take your time and read through all of them so that if you like it, you can apply. You can see everything. But one limitation about this job is that you need to have a bachelor's degree in marketing, communication or any related field. You can see you have to have 2 years plus experience in copywriting. So if you don't have all these qualifications, you are not going to be allowed to work as a content developer. Apart from this job, there are other jobs that you can do without a university degree. So if this one is not suitable for you, what you have to do is that just come here, click on go back to the job list. So click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to come back to the jobs. So once you come back, just come to customer support and data entry. Click on that. So as you can see, this is the description of the job. So just visit the website and read more about the description. You can see your primary duties and responsibilities. Handle incoming customer service inquiries from patients, prescribers, insurance companies, external partners or internal partners. So this is one of your responsibilities. It's very simple. You can read through all of them. And the best part is that when you come here, you can see high school diploma or equivalent. So if you have a high school certificate, you can apply for this job and you are going to be accepted so that you can work online from home. I don't want to read through all the details, but when you come here, you can see must be flexible on schedule and hours. Overtime may be required from time to time. So that is the schedule. So sometimes you are required to work overtime. So if it is necessary that you work on weekends, you have to do that. So as you can see, it's very simple because you are working on your PC, you are not working in a control area. So now what you have to do is that you are going to come here, click on apply for this job. So just click on it. Once you click on apply for this job, you are going to upload your CV onto the platform. So just click here, choose file, so that you can upload your CV. You can see your CV must be in text, Word or PDF format. If you have it in those formats, just click on choose file so that you can upload your CV onto the platform. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down, enter your name, your preferred name, last name, email address, your contact information. Once you enter that, just scroll down. If you have another mobile phone number, you can add it right here. And the country, you are going to select wherever you come from, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that every country is allowed. As you can see, a whole lot of different countries. So wherever you are in the world, you have to select your country so that you can apply. So as you can see, many countries, as you can see, a lot of different countries. You can see Nigeria is allowed. So if you are from Nigeria, you can apply. Anywhere you are in the world, you can apply for this job so that you can be making money from home. Once you select your country, you are going to select your address, your city, your state, postcode. Once that is done, you are going to select the salary right here. The payment, you have to select your desired compensation. So if you want $34 per hour, you can select that. If you want $20 per hour, you can select that. You can select yearly, and you are going to enter the amount that you are willing to take per year. If you want hourly, you are going to select that. You are going to enter the amount that you want to take. So if you want $40 per hour, you can do that. If you want $20 per hour, you can do that. So it depends on the amount that you are willing to receive per hour. So you must enter a reasonable rate so that you can be accepted. So now once that is done, you are going to come here. If you have a statement to make, you can just enter that here. You can see as part of the government requirement, you need to give them more information about yourself. So just come right here. You are going to select your gender, select your ethnicity. You are going to select all of this. So just select the one that is appropriate for you. You can also click here, decline. Once that is done, you are going to come here. I have read and agreed to this statement. You must accept it. So once you accept it, just click on submit so that your application can be submitted to this website. Once your application is approved, you are going to be working on this website so that you can be making money from wherever you are in the world. That is it. It's very simple. So make sure you apply so that you can start working from home on your PC. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.